How's it going, guys? Willis here. It's been a while since I posted a video. I've been out of commission for a little bit. I've been having this annoying cough and sore throat, and can't seem to get better until today. A couple of days ago, I attempted to put out a video, which you guys can see in front of you, trying to open this Bowman Draft 2019, but in the middle of opening it, I was just too out of breath and start coughing, and so I had to cut the video in the middle. But before we get into this box, I just wanted to let you guys know what I got from this Bowman Draft box when I opened it. So I got this Alejandro Kirk 208 out of 250. This very nice refractor spackle refractor of McConnell. As you guys know, this product has a lot of rookies and the upcoming players, so a lot of new names. And this is a very nice Bowman 30th anniversary card of Adley Rushman. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's 67 out of 99. Joy Bart and Clark Schmidt, 198 out of 498 out of 499. And then Matthew Thompson, 15 out of 50, first Bowman card. And Kyle Stores, 26 out of 499. And then lastly, I pull a Matt Cantarino. Very nice car. So that's that. And then I don't know if Wander Franco is still hot, but I happened to pull two Wander Franco base cars. So I guess I don't think they're worth anything, but just pretty interesting polling Wander Franco's car. Anyways, that's not the main topic today. Today is Bowman's best. So let me just open this, close this box and put it away. I'm knocking off my camera there. Alright, so Bowman's best. This came out. Oh, by the way, before I get into this, tomorrow, for those of you guys following my videos, tomorrow is the last day to win this box right here. Okay, Topps 2019 holiday box. So for those of you guys watch this video for the first time, just look for my previous video with this picture as the thumbnail. I'm actually doing a giveaway, so tomorrow is the deadline. I believe, I can remember on top of my head, but I think 8 p.m. Pacific time. So you have until that time to leave a comment. All you have to do, actually two things that you have to do. Well, one of them is leave a comment, the other one is subscribe, so make sure you do that. So by 8 p.m. I'm gonna gather all the people who left a comment, and I will put out another video on the drawing. So I'm gonna put this away. All right, so Bowman's best. This came out about, I would say, 10 days ago, 14 days ago, something like that. This cost about $145 ish. As you can see, it's got two mini boxes within this big master box. Each master box, this whole box has two, as you can see. Two mini. It says two here. Two mini boxes, and there are 6 packs per mini box and 5 cards per pack. So a total of 60 cards in this whole box, and so $145, roughly $2.40 per card. So I would say it's sort of medium range car, I guess. Anyways, let's take a look at the outside. So we got Pete Alonso, Bryce Harper. Nothing really exciting here. It says full chrome autograph per master box. So there are a total of 4. And there's nothing on the bottom there. Okay, let's open this. So I'm gonna say sorry if in the middle of the video I start coughing. Excuse me. I'm gonna say ahead of time, I'm still in the process of recovering. I finally feel better, but still not 100% yet. So that's that. So you put this away. So 2 mini boxes. No purchase necessary information there. Alright. Again, P. Alonso and Bryce Harper, and all the odds information. Alright. And let's open the first mini box. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so 6 packs as promised. First pack. Bottom is Freddie Freeman, Jose Altuve. To show you on the back, best game 2019. So it's just got a little story on the back. There's no stats or anything. So that's first Manny Machado. Rushman. I actually got his card. At the beginning of the video, I don't know if you guys remember when I show you guys the Bowman draft. I actually pulled this card. I guess he's okay. Anyways, move on to the next one. Hura. What does that say? Franchise favorites rookie. All right. Freddie Freeman. All right. Okay. Bogarts. Wander Franco. Nice. Taylor Tremel. This must be a autographed 26 out of 150 of Brett Batty. Very nice. 26 out of 150 franchise favorite. Cool. First autograph, John Means, rookie. Okay. Bottom, C.J. Abrams. Mookie Betts. Bo Bichette. DJ LeMahieu. Number 242 out of 250. Back looks like. Nice. Carter Kieboom. Oh, it's very nice. It's like a irregular pattern there. It's nice. Very unique. C.J. Abrams. Alright. Next. Gleyber Torres. Suarez. Walker Buehler. Anthony Volpe. I think that's how you pronounce it. Volpe. Bryson Stott. Okay. Let's see. TJ LeMahieu again. Seal Puig. Will Smith. Very nice. Rookie. And Hunter Green. Ronald Acuna Jr. TJ LeMahieu again. And Seal Puig. Alright. Kyle Wright. Garrett Cole. Now he's a Yankee. Alright. JD Martinez. And we got our second autographed of Brendan Malone. Pitcher for Diamondbacks. Cool. Nice. So I guess we are we got 2 there, so another 2. So I guess per mini box there are 2. Shia, Kyle Wright, Gary Cole. Alright, so we went through that already. Last box. Okay. Christian Yelich on back. Chris Davis. This in a more organized manner there. Chris Davis, Austin Riley, Chris Paddock, Hunter Bishop, and Christian Yelich. Got Justin Verlander on the bottom. Max Scherzer, Eloy Jimenez, rookie, very nice. This right here. P. Alonso, rookie. Oh wow, nice. 72 out of 99. Very nice. Love it. I've been saying that I want to do a video just on my P. Alonso collection. I haven't got a chance to gather all my P. Alonso cards, but one of these days I will do it. Very nice. This is a green sort of variant to the card, and it's number. Ooh. Okay, very nice. Definitely, I think I'm gonna put a sleeve on this card, just make sure that it's not damaged. Alright, and put it right here. Okay, so we got Nate Lowe, Justin Verlander. Okay, we went through those already. Okay. Joy Bart. Another P. Alonso. So, just for comparison purpose. This is what I just pulled a seconds ago. Christian Yelich again. Oh, this is our auto. Michael Toglia. Toglia? Oh, interesting. Alright. That was our third auto. Corbin Carroll, Joy Bart. Alright. Joe Adele, Javier Baez, Chris Hoskin, Andrew Vaughn, Riley Green. Alright, second to the last pack. Okay, Andrew again, Brett Betty, Bryce Harper, and I got a P. Alonso, whatever variant refractor this is called. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very nice. I got 3 Alonso car. One of them number, the other one with this crazy refractor here. I think it's called Ice or Diamond Refractor. Very nice. Love it. Justice Sheffield. And the rest. Alright, last pack. Okay. Mitch Keller. Gary Sanchez. DeGrom, and we got another auto. Keone Cavaco. Oh, this is another Japanese player. Keone Cavaco. No, it doesn't sound Japanese. The last name doesn't sound Japanese. Never heard of this guy, actually. Well, if you guys have heard this guy, comment below. This is one of the newcomers. Jose Abreu. Alright, so that is okay, put this in the big hits pile. Alright, just kind of do a review. So I got 3 P. Alonso cards that just kind of make this whole box worth the price that I pay. So I got this one, refractor. Okay, I actually forgot to do this. I should put this in the sleeve. So this card alone, I think it's worth the whole box. These 2 here, right here. Very nice. Definitely going to my personal collection. And then other autograph, Brennan Malone. And then Brett Betty. Michael Tuglia. And this guy, Keone Cavaco. Yeah, so 3 autographs and 3 P. Alonso. There's a base P. Alonso. I put it in the pile. But anyways, these 2 cards, awesome, and just made my night. And thank you for watching. Again, another reminder about my giveaway. Make sure you check out my previous video on the Topps holiday box. I'd love to give this away, so I want as many people out there to join this giveaway, and so everybody can have a chance to win and make the whole process more exciting. So until next time, have a good one, guys.